Okay, so we have a question here that we are supposed to work out. So let's begin. This is second theorem. You expect these questions in grade 12, paper 1. So in the diagram, O is the center of the circle. Given that angle EOC is equals to 280 degrees, calculate angle EDC. Angle EDC. Okay, so this angle now here, this is the angle that we are talking about, this one. How do we calculate this angle? So it's very important here to bring to your attention one or two things that you are supposed to know. So first of all, let's find this other angle here. Let's find this other angle. Or the other thing that we should do, just like I already mentioned, let's find this angle here. Okay, so that we have a complete 10 here. So we know that if we already have 280, what is this angle here? Because a complete 10 is supposed to give us 360 degrees. All right, so what are we going to get? So this is going to give us 80. This angle here is 80 degrees. All right, now as you may know, second theorem requires someone who understands a number of those theorems and the basic knowledge of angles. Okay, so now I'm sure you also know that there is a theorem that states that the angle at the center, okay, is twice the angle on the circumference. All right, so if this is 40 here, if this angle here is 40, then if this angle here is 80, then this angle is 40. All right, that angle there is 40. Now, having said that, we also now have to understand that angles in the same segment, and if this is 40 here, even this angle here is what? Is 40. Why? These are called angles in the same segment. Okay, so it's very important to understand those theorems. What are angles in the same segment, and what is the rule about angles in the same segment? Angles in the same segment are equal. So if this is 40, even this one, they are 40. They are both coming from the same arc here. Then, what about this angle here? What about this angle here? You should understand that we said that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, if I can write something like this one here, okay, I hope you will still be able to remember that these are opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. So we said this angle here and this one, they should add up to 180. That is one of the theorems. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. Okay, so meaning this angle here and this one, they're opposite angles, and they should add up to 180. So if this is 40, then what is this angle? So this is going to be 140 degrees. All right, so now when we want to answer our question about the angles EDC is clearly 140 degrees. Then angle EBC, EBC, we have already found it also that it is 40 degrees on an account that these two are angles in the same segment and they are equal. Thank you.